Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam, and today we are going to show you how to bisect an angle. The better way to do that is having a compass. Okay, and then you have to put the compass, use the needle of the compass, put it at the vertex of the angle, and then open the compass at any convenient radius, but you should not exceed these two lines, so you should not draw it here like this. Okay, so any convenient radius within these lines, so open it up, draw arc. Now once you have your arc, you will get 2 points of intersection. You get this point of intersection and you get this point of intersection, so we'll go 1 and 2 point of intersection, whereas the arc intersect with the line. So from this point of intersection we are going to draw a new arc equal, don't change this distance, from the other point of intersection draw another arc. These two arcs now intersected in this point. Okay, now you have to connect between the intersection and the vertex. Now what you did is bisecting an angle.